So let's do, so rather than just doing one or two, I am going to choose 3. And again to demonstrate how really easy it is to work with this material, that I found it real easy to work with this material. Oh, there's actually 4 here.
Kreinik. Finding black.
Sorry, just no. I just needed a little contrast to.
You can hold up something.
No, that's fine. That's fine. Just for moving that.
Colby Trout from Mossy Creek.
Colby, how are you?
I'm doing great. Good to see you.
Yeah.
I've already seen 6,000 flies with your material.
Oh, excellent. Very good.
Just a guy right down there has got nothing but Kreinik style flies.
Since you have seen that many,
What's that?
what type of flies have you seen mostly tied with Kreiniks?
The Kreinik fly.
Streamers, more or
Yeah,
less.
streamers.
Okay. Since you're here, have you thought that the same thing can tie these, the same materials?
Oh yeah.